बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम पाकिस्तान। नाजरीन, आप देख रहे हैं आवाज़-ए-बहावलपुर न्यूज़ चैनल और मैं हूं आपका मेज़बान अहमद महमूद। नाजरीन, जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं कि हम आप लोगों के लिए आज की शख्सियत प्रोग्राम लेकर आया करते हैं। आज मैं आपको जिस शख्सियत का तारुफ करवाने जा रहा हूं, आप यूनिवर्सिटी में हमारे मेहमान आए हुए हैं, प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर काई हरमन साहब जर्मनी से आए हुए हैं। तो इनसे हम बात करेंगे कि यहाँ आके आपको कैसा लग रहा है, इस कॉन्फ्रेंस के हवाले से आप क्या कहेंगे। तो आइए बात करते हैं। हेलो, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। हाउ आर यू?
Thank you. I'm very good. Thank you.
Please tell me about yourself.
So I'm, as you said, Dr. Kai Harrman from Germany. I got my diploma education in mathematics from Erlangen University in Germany, and also my PhD degree in informatics on the topic of triangle meshes and parametrization of triangle meshes. And then I did a postdoc in the US, in Italy, and then I got an assistant professorship position in Germany. And since 2009, I'm associate professor first, and then now full professor since 2014 at the Università della Svizzera Italiana in the Italian part of Switzerland in Lugano.
Which is your PhD thesis?
Yes, it was about parametrization of triangle meshes. It connects mathematics with computer graphics. So it's the kind of stuff that you need to help companies like Disney and Pixar to produce all these computer animated movies. So it was in this direction.
How you feel come in Bahawalpur?
It is very interesting. It's my first time in Pakistan. I'm very excited to be here. There's so much to learn, so much to see, so much new to explore.
What are your opinion about this conference?
The conference is very good, high standard. It has been organized very well. I have been received very kindly. The conference organization is great, and it's a great opportunity to meet the scientists from Pakistan in general, but also from other countries.
Okay, your article you present here, which topic?
I gave a speech on barycentric rational interpolation, which is a new method of doing interpolation. That's a very basic mathematical technique, and that's what I talked about.
What you say about Ghulam Mustafa, chairperson mathematics?
Yeah, he's a very renowned person. I knew him before, and I was very happy when he invited me to come here and to be his guest. And he's a great host.
What is your message about Islamic University Bahawalpur and Pakistan?
I haven't seen much of the university, I must confess, but I've seen the campus. It looks really nice. You have a beautiful green campus. It seems to be a thriving university with lots of activity. So it seems to do pretty well. Pretty well.
What did you say about this conference?
Yeah, so far it has been very interesting.
Thank
Very
you
good.
very much. Thank you. Please tell me how many research article published here.
I publish about 100, but you shouldn't really focus on the number of papers. It should be about the quality, not the quantity.
Its impact factor?
Impact factor, I think, is pretty good. I have an H index of 33, if I remember correctly, and more than 7,000 citations.
How research culture promote?
How to promote research culture? Encourage people to dedicate themselves fully to the research. That's the only way to produce good results. Encourage creativity, not trying to just redo what others have done. Try to bring them to the point where they can do something new. That is the most important part.
If I talk about your country research culture, please explain.
Yeah, that's what we try to bring to the students. We try to give them the tools so that they can then develop something new. That is the most important.
Thank you very much for nice talking to you.
Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.